Good morning, sir. Good evening, everyone, especially to you, Sir Kabalan. My topic is all about exploration of the multifaceted relationship between technology, functionality, and ethics, humanities. So this topic explore that relationship between technology, functionality, and ethics of humanity. Atong tan-awon og unsaon pag-work together sa machine ug sa tao sa modern world. The problem of functionality is Brooks' persuasive perspective of that challenge in designing multifunctional machines like aircraft, cell phones, and autonomous robots. Conflicts in external requirements for usability, survivability, and adaptability. So, according daw kang Brooks is lisod kaayo mag-design og machine nga multifunctional sama sa aircraft, cellphones, and autonomous robot. Na makomplik daw ni sa requirements nga kinahanglanon user-friendly ug lig-on to survival ug adaptable. So next is the importance of organization. Booth's assertion that no individual can comprehend complex system entirely needs for small cohesive teams and mindset challenge of geographical disperse. So, Booth see that nga naay walay usa ka tawo nga makasabot sa tibuok complex system. Kinahanglan small cohesive teams nga maayo mo cooperate bisan na nakalayo-layo og lugar. Ang maayo nga teamworks makatabang daw ni to maintain sa design integrity bisan daghan daw og mga collaborators. So next is the impact of economics. Barr is sign of how poor processes can imply system complexity. This interplay of team nature and tools significantly affects project performance. So si Barr is nag-ingon nga kung nindot daw ang process, mas mudako ang complexity sa system. Ang teams nga maka-effect kaayo sa speed og successful sa project. Next naman is the influence of political. So, acknowledge political organizations' role in technology advancement and concentrates potential for positive outcome in political support rather that hinders of progress. So, ang political organization is makatabang daw ni to find o pag-support sa bag-o nga technology. Pero, pwede sab sila nga dili daw mag-support. So, kung mag-support sila is mas maayo daw nga mo-support sila, mas mapadali daw ang progress. So next is the humanity and technology. Emphasize attributes like love, empathy, and creativity that distinguish human from machine. Technology is transformative impact of living condition, education, and health. This continuous evaluations of technologies and its unpredictable effects on humanity. So ang humans have that love, empathy, and creativity mag-strength ni og dili mahimo sa machine. Ang technology is maka-improve daw ni sa education, health, and daily life. Pero sige gihapon niglihok ang technology og maka-apekto ni sa mga tao og unpredictable. So next naman is ang ethical dilemmas. This necessity of ethical guidelines in technology application, this rise of pressing ethical questions and various fields. So, kinahanglan of ethical guidelines para ma-responsible ang paggamit sa technology. Ang number 1 is robotics dilemmas. Number 2 is bioethics of astronauts. Number 3 is body of technology. Number 4 is superior of protagonist. Number 5 is non-killing weapon. Number 6 is artificial life forms. Number 7 is animals as test subject. So next is dilemmas of robotics. Ethical issue surrounded self-aware robots and Misu C. Urgency for allegations to prevent mistreatment and ensure safety. So, kung sa dilemmas of robotics is kung pasabot og ang robot is naa daw siya ethical risks sama sa musisi og obvious kinahanglan jud nga naa law para maproteksyonan ang safety sa tanan. Next is astronaut bioethics. Moral questions regarding risks to astronaut and implications for future generation, privacy issue, and right of children born in peace. So, sa astronaut bioethics is daghan moral question og unsaon pagprotect ang astronaut. Unsaon pag-right sa mga children kung naay tawo nga suspect. Upper sad nga i-issue to privacy. Next naman is ang technology for the body. That dual potential of health monitoring device to inform and invade privacy. So, sa technology of body is ang wearable health is device makatabang daw ni sa pag-monitor pero pwede sab sila maka-invaded privacy kung gamiton daw sa dili wasto. So next is superior pathogens. So signing from gains of function research and challenge to biosafety. So sa superior pathogens is gains of function is research pwede makahimo og stronger pathogens kung dili sila kanang kontrolado daw o makahatag daw ni og dako nga biosafety sa problem. So next naman is non-killing weapon. Sa non-killing weapon is emergency of non-lethal of weapons under moral implication. So sa non-willing weapons is non-lethal weapons is dili makapatay pero naay gihapoy moral issue labi na kung kanang sobraan daw sa paggamit sa kanaa nga weapons o pag-obvious. Next naman is artificial life forms of ethical. So issue with playing a god and potential environmental impacts of scientific organism. So sa artificial life of form of ethical is ang nag-create daw ana og artificial life usaha is mura bitaw nagplay lang ka kay God. Pwede pud ni nga makaapekto sa environmental kung dili sakto ang pag-control nimo. Next naman is animal testing. So the moral of justifications for animal testing at is necessity in medical advancements. So sa animal testing is makatabang daw ni sa medical science pero dili daghan og moral question. So next is human, moral, and machines. So impact of technology of natural experiences and psychological health. So sa human moral and machines is tungod sa technologies mas mugamay na ang atong connection with nature. Makakus daw pud ni og stress, addiction og psychological issue. So, next naman is ang future outlook. So, potential for technology to enhance daily life and social structures. Importance of adapting ethical guidelines, mindset rapid to technological evaluations. Sa kuan daw, sa future of outlooks is in the future, tao ug ang machine is mag-work together para daw nga mas sayon daw ang daily life. Pero kinahanglan update permi ang ethical rules para gapaspas ra gyapon kaayo ang technology to change. So conclusion is highlight the need for collaborative governance of technology that aligns with human values and ethics, while navigating that create a relationship between humanity and technology. So sa conclusion is kinahanglan nga naatay balance sa technology nga human values para importante ang cooperation, ethics, and responsible use para ang technology is kanang dili para mahimo siyang maayo sa tanan. Thank you.